today we are going to make some fantastic Halloween muffins. These are ones that we've cooked up earlier, and these are the ones we've decorated. They look very spooky and very yummy, and they're very easy to make. So first of all, the first thing we always do before we do any kind of cooking at all is wash our hands, put on a clean apron, and then we can get cooking. Really important. Every time we work with food, eat food, prepare food, whatever we do around food, we spend a lot of time washing our hands. Okay, we wear a clean apron. The apron's going to keep us nice and clean. It's going to keep the food clean, and it makes for sensible cooking. Right, okay, so this recipe is really easy. We need a pumpkin. All right, this is a fresh pumpkin. And what I've done to this pumpkin is I've grated it, which actually is not that easy. So please get an adult to help you, particularly if you're using a very sharp grater, which is what we've got here. All right. We're going to use 1 egg. We're going to use a different selection of spices. So I've got some mixed spice there that you could use. I've got some cinnamon. I've got some ginger, if you like. We will need baking powder. We will need bicarbonate of soda. Vanilla extract or essence, if you like. Here, I've got a little baby orange, which I've used the zest of. Again, you don't have to. Sugar, flour, and in here, I've just soaked some, these are actually cranberries, but you could use cranberries, you could use raisins, or you could use sultanas. Soak them just to hydrate them, which is yummy. And then at the end, you will need some lovely decorations. Okay, so easy, easy, easy peasy. I've measured out the oil, all right? So I'm just gonna pour the oil straight into my big mixing bowl. I'm gonna shoot in my lovely sugar like that, okay? I am then gonna give that a lovely whisk up to get it all in there like that. This is literally a one pot, which is fantastic. Easy, 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 easy peasy. I'm gonna put in the lovely cranberries, or like it could be the sultanas, could be raisins, it's up to you. You don't want the water, so forget the water. All right, so then we need the lovely egg. That's just 1 egg that's been beautifully whisked up with your fork. All right, then we want to put in the pumpkin, which has been grated. Okay, it's actually my first time to ever use pumpkin grated, and it's rather exciting. But again, remember, be careful of your fingers. Okay, so then baking powder, just for a nice rise, important. A bit of bicarbonate, that just helps with the flavour, keeps it lovely. Let's definitely get some cinnamon going. What I would say is a really good pinch. I like mixed spice, so I'm going to use just a little bit of mixed spice just to give it a little bit of a kick. I've got some vanilla extract here. So all of that in there. Give that a lovely mix up. Notice that we're using oil, not butter and not margarine. All right. Makes it just a little bit healthier. Okay, so there you have it. So the last thing to add before you put them into the cases. Oh, and I forgot to say, don't forget, before you start, to set your oven at about 180, which is about gas mark 5, and you need to preheat it. So that needs to go on before you start. And get your cases all ready. Get some lovely air into that mixture. So turn it around, make sure all the flour has disappeared like that. And then you take your bun tin. It's important to have a bunting because it holds the shape of the pastry cake, of the cases, the cupcake cases. I can't speak now. There we go. And you want to just, don't overfill them, just about like that. Fill them all up and then pop them in the oven to cook. They'll take about 20 minutes to cook. How you know they're cooked is you bring them out of the oven carefully with your oven gloves and you just put a sharp knife into the middle of the cake, of the cupcake, and it should come out, the knife should come out nice and clean and not sticky. Not forgetting that obviously we've used quite a lot of fresh pumpkin, so the mixture should be a little bit moist and a little bit sticky, but not raw inside. So there you have it. Off they go into the oven. Enjoy.